What are the houses like here? What are they all made out of?
They're all made out of cinder block because they have no wood, or they're made out of sticks and mud.
A lot of cinder block and concrete. Why do you think that is?
They have a lot of cinder blocks because wood is really rare. Because in the reign of Baby Doll and some of the other dictators, they cut down all the wood and sent it to other countries for charcoal. So that leaves most of Haiti without any wood.
Other than fruit trees, huh?
Yep, the fruit trees.
They kind of leave those alone. So wood is real expensive here, and a lot of times they got to buy plywood from the United States. But rocks are everywhere, huh? Here's the orphanage. Bonsoir. Comment nous roulez?
We're building little homes for the babies that get sick in the baby orphanage. We mix the Portland with these rocks and then some of this fine ground limestone and granite.
How'd you get these rocks up here?
Well, first we went all the way downtown to get in the dump truck to get a bunch of rocks. And we shoveled them in for around an hour and 30 minutes. Then what we do is we grab a bucket, they fill it, and then they pass it all the way up. Then we walk down with it. And then we dump it on the pile, and then go back to get more.
So you're a human forklift.
Yeah. For our corners, this here's the rebar. We put these in the middle and twist it together to make these square shapes. Then what we do, then after that, we stand it up. And then stick it in the corner.
They use any power tools in Haiti?
No, there's no electricity to use power tools. While the workers are working, they usually snag a mango off the trees to eat them. There's mango trees everywhere. Over there is some. There's a mango tree. And then by the prayer room, there's a mango tree. And then right there's a mango tree. So workers will just come up and take a mango off the tree.
Don't they? You see them throw shoes up there and hit it with poles.
Yeah.
Anyway, you can snag them. They're all over Haiti, which is good because it gives them a snack wherever they go. What do we see on the side of the road? Remember
when you look at the roads, you have a concrete ditch going across, and that's where everybody dumps their sewage, and most people take a bath in that and drink out of that and wash their clothes.
What about the houses that are next to the ocean?
The houses next to the ocean, most people don't want waterfront property. See, this $1 million waterfront property, and people don't like it because all of the other people's sewage all goes downhill into their homes.
Yeah, they get hit by hurricanes pretty bad, and all the sewage and garbage tends to flow downhill. So the oceanfront property is kind of the slummy area. Oh, yeah. Bon. Comment nous relais?
Assistant.
Ah, and no shoes.